Hi everyone, please join me as I discuss to you on how to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so if you are a grade 8 student and in this fourth quarter, para sa inyo to. So basically, dapat ay panoorin nyo to. Ayan. So, whenever you are proving that the two triangles are congruent, you have to consider the postulates and theorems, the SSS, SAS mo na nasulat ko na SSS, ASA, and AAS. Ayan. So, these three are postulates while AAS is a theorem. Okay, so sorry with my voice because I'm having an allergic rhinitis today. But of course, let's discuss this one para naman matutunan nyo kung paano to. Kasi maraming student ang nalilito dito. Kasi tunay naman na talaga that when proving two triangles are congruent, medyo confusing talaga to. So, alam niya ng mga grade 8 students kasi ito ay sa grade 8 and sa fourth quarter. Pero of course, ito nga kasi sobrang tagal ko natigil mag-tutorial. So, ito na, balik tayo. Okay. So, dito sa whenever you are proving, you have to consider your given. Yan. And also the thing or this one that you have to prove. And palaging tandaan kasi nakakalimutan to that whenever you are proving, you also have to focus on your figure kasi kailangan nyo yan. Maglalagay kasi kayo dyan ng markings. Ayan. And gagamit tayo dito ng two-column proof. Two-column proof. Yan. Yung mayroong statement and reason. Yan. Statements and reason. Okay. So, dito tayo sa given natin which is TR. Yan. Nagpo-focus ba yung camera? TR bisect angle STA. So, basically, ito daw yan. Si TR, it bisect STA. So, dapat you know the definition of bisect. Whenever you encounter the word bisect, that means dividing into two equal parts. Okay? So, kung si TR, or si STA ay binisect ni TR, ito, therefore, itong angle STA, magkakaroon ng dalawang congruent angles. And you're going to have that as your statement later. So, this time, lagay muna natin yung statement number 1 natin as TR bisect angle STA. And of course, your reason in there, it's a given. Given naman siya dan. No? So, dito pa lang titingnan nyo na kagad kung from the given itself, kita nyo na kagad yung given natin dyan, mayroon ka bang makukuha out of that? Of course, meron. Because, sabi dito sa TR bisect STA, ayan, diba kapag bisect, nagkakaroon tayo ng two congruent angles. Kasi angle yung binisect niya, hinati niya sa gitna. So, therefore, you can say that STR and ATR, yan, yung dalawang yan, are congruent. So, lagay mo ng markings yan. They are congruent. And that's gonna be your statement number 2. So, angle STR is congruent to ATR. Angle ATR. And, again, si statement number 2 ay nakuha nyo from statement number 1 with the word bisect. Okay? So, from that, you can say that the reason is because of the definition of angle bisector. Definition of angle bisector. That whenever there's a line or a segment that bisect an angle, of course, it will create two congruent angles. So, meron ka ng statement 1 and, of course, statement number 2. Ayan. So, again, kailangan kapag magpo-prove, huwag kalimutang maglagay ng markings dito kasi diyan kayo magbabase. Mayroon ka ng angle. Angle dyan. So, focus ka dito. SAS, SSS, ASA, AAS. So, yung may mga angle dito is SAS, ASA, AAS. So, yun na lang yung pamimilian mo. Okay? Next, statement number 3. dahil wala na tayong makukuha kay angle STR is congruent to angle ATR, of course, move ka na doon sa statement number, given number 2 mo. This one. Triangle STA is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. So, from that, may makukuha ka ba? If mayroong isosceles triangle? Of course, because you need to know the properties of an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two sides that are equal. Diba? So, ito si STA. STA. Triangle STA. And it's an isosceles. So, definitely, out of that isosceles triangle, you have ST is congruent to AT. There you go. So, yan yung statement number 4 mo. Segment ST is congruent to segment AT. Bakit ulit? Bakit mo nasabing congruent si ST tsaka si AT? Because coming from your statement number 3 that STA is an isosceles triangle, therefore, your reason in here is of course definition of isosceles triangle. There you go. So, dito pala given, I forgot. Yan. So, definition of isosceles triangle yan. So, meron ka ng SA. Diba? SA na yan. So, basically, out na dito si AAS. Pwede pa pala. ASA, tingnan natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng ASA or SAS. So, tingnan natin. Alright. Tapos na tayo dyan kay statement 4. Nakuha natin si statement 4, kay statement 3, and also si statement 2, nakuha natin kay statement 1. That means a deductive reasoning. You have to, anong tawag dito? Kailangan yung ma-establish kung paano ang deductive reasoning. Anyway, kada statement naman, makukuha mo yan from the previous statement. Kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, si 4 nakuha kay 3, si 2 nakuha kay 1. Depends on the given as well. And depende yan. So, tingnan niyo yung given ngayon. Meron na tayong SA. Isa na lang hinahanap natin to prove that these two triangle are congruent. Because meron tayong tatlo eh. SAS, yan, consider, tatlo yan. SSS, consider tatlo. ASA, of course, tatlo din. AAS, tatlo din. So, SA. Ngayon, tingnan yung ating figure. Kung napapansin mo sa figure natin, meron ka dyang isang segment na mapapatunayang congruent. Okay? Of course, hindi si SR and AR. Because wala naman sinabi diyan that wala naman tayong basis kung bakit natin masasabing congruent yung dalawang yan. Pero etong si TR, etong gitna natin, ayan. TR, diba? It's congruent to TR too. Because we have two triangles here. Etong triangle 1 and triangle 2 natin. And the two triangles, they are actually sharing this one side. So, basically, pareha silang may TR. So, therefore, in your statement number 5, you will put your TR is congruent to TR. And that is, of course, because they are the same lang. So, that's reflexive property of congruence. And remember, whenever you are proving, you have to understand properties. And of course, yung mga definition of terms, mga theorems and postulates, dapat ay meron kayong deep understanding of those because that is very important whenever you're proving. So, therefore, we have this already. There you go. So, meron na tayong SAS. Diba? SAS. So, from that, you can say that SAS yung nanalo. Diba? Siya yung nakuha mo. And remember, we can prove two triangles are congruent through postulates and theorems, SSS, SAS, ASA, or AES. And right now, you can say, dahil tapos na yung tatlo, mapuprove mo na in number 6 that triangle STA is congruent to triangle ATR by the reason, ang reason mo ay of course, it's because of SAS congruence postulate. And ganyan lang kasimpleng kung paano ang mag-prove ng two triangles ay congruent. So, kung may question and also may request kayo na topic, comment nyo lang dyan kasi we'll upload this on my YouTube account, YouTube channel, Memorial, and also on my TikTok account, and also on my Facebook page. So, thank you so much everyone. I hope you still support me because natigil ko to. And palagi itong nasa isip ko, hindi ito nawawala talaga, na one day, ipagpapatuloy ko yung pag-tutorial. Because that's what makes me happy naman talaga. It's just that, naging busy lang talaga ang person. So, thank you so much everyone. So, request lang kayo. Bye! And I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you.